Hi, Mark Reed here. In this video, I'm going to show you a real quick tip on how to mark individual items as completed on a work order that's still open and pending. We had a customer wanted to know how to do that, and there's no built-in way to do that in TATEMS. So I'm going to show you how you can do it manually here. So I'm just going to go ahead and select these three rows, and then I'm going to do a Control-C to copy. And I'm going to come down here to the detail description and do a Control-V as in Victor. I'm going to remove this extra header there, and then take out the 1, the 2, and the 3. And now, in order to insert a check mark here, you hold down the Alt key and then type in the number keypad 251. So Alt 251 and release, and then that inserts it in there, and I press my Tab key to just give it an extra space there. So we could say that was done, and maybe the rear main seal was done, so Alt 251. And then so we can, now if you open up this work order, you could see that those specific items have been completed so far. If you wanted to, you could put a date in there as well. And enter today's date, for example, like I just did. That would be Control and then the semicolon, which is the key right next to the L on most keyboards. So I could do that. I could do the same thing down here, Control. That enters today's date in. So that's how you can do that, and hopefully that's helpful for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one. Take care.